one thing that is absolutely clear is from 2013, the president and the deputy president have been focused on starting projects everywhere. And you have seen how many times both the president and the deputy president, they have been in Central Province initiating projects. If those are not projects in Central Province, what are they? And we have to be very, very specific on this, because the president was very clear in Mombasa. He would like to see development at every corner of the republic. That is his mandate. And therefore I want to appeal, and we have a few of the current colleagues here, that they know the route towards development and how development is voted. The forum for discussing development and allocation is in Parliament. It's not in the executive. What the executive has done over the years is to go out there and open projects that have been initiated.
We want to tell our people, we know very well that people are struggling to make their name through criticizing the president, thinking that you can make a quick name by hitting at the presidency. Let them know that Mount Kenya region is an organized society whereby they look at facts. We are very, very sober, and that is why we need to tell them, please, our friends, our brothers, just be very, very sober when you are speaking, because everybody is looking at the facts on the ground. And we are very, very sure that very soon they are going to regret. You heard the other day, some of them even were apologizing, because the statement that they gave when they were drunk. And that is why we are fighting alcohol seriously in Mount Kenya region.
Let us not start talking as though the only candidates are the ones who have already declared. There even be other candidates, both male and female, coming up. So shall we go slow on this? Nobody is the presumptive president in 2022. If we had been told that the formation that came in 2013 was going to be, we would have said it's not possible. It came to pass. Nobody is entitled to the presidency from whatever quarter. And like was said here by Kelemi, Kenya is bigger than any two communities. Kenya is 42 communities, and the more we promote cohesion, the better it will be for us as Kenyans.